Hello everyone, if you're facing this error in Battlefield RedSec, this software cannot be used at the same time as the game with the error security violation, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying security violation error on your Battlefield RedSec. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to search for Obliterum interception here, open this link up from github.com, and then you're going to click onto this latest version here, and then you're going to go ahead and download interception.zip from here. And after that, you're going to open it up and extract it any way you want. And then you're going to go to the folder that you extracted the interception folder to. And then you're going to go into command line installer here. And then here you're going to copy the path of the interception folder. And then you're going to open up your command prompt. Make sure to run it as an administrator. And here you're going to write cd and you're going to paste the path of the interception folder. And then you're going to put this command next. I'm going to put this command into the description of the video. And after that, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you open up Battlefield RedSec on your computer, you will see that you won't get that error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.